make sure your passion is at the forefront of all that shit. That's what's gonna take you there, man. That's what we're trying to do. That was the whole goal, to let you see that, like, your skill got you this. You know what I'm saying? Like, your skill allowed you to rise above any kind of fucking adversities that you were dealing with. Your skill got you there.
It's so messed up how kids selling their bodies to get money. Evil kids breaking down their bodies to the devil. So messed up in religion. Niggas is messed up in the heads, like taking kids' oxygen for using for different other purposes. So messed up in my head, it's like taking over a machine, shutting down. So fucked up in this new town, people acting different, being dumb, being silly. I didn't know God came down to this earth to finish me. No, why is this ish happen to me? It's like little kids in the cage that just woke up to this new earth. Don't take my life, use my voice for a temple so these evil kids can understand you. So jacked up in the head, messed up in the mind, so usually in the head. You can't get the facts, hit the backs like a hit text. Put a bat up your ass, hope you fuck with the facts. I'm done rapping to this rapping king. You can't rap with me, I'm like taking over this 1997 kids. You can take the evil kids back. I'm like killing over the game like you rapping the shame. Don't fuck with me, Malcolm. I will take you over like you're over king. You like a over being. Don't fuck with me, I'm like the bishop taking over these